There's definitely a lot of things going on, and with that said, let's get out of the ruckus. We're going to switch things up, and we're going to take a trip. Let's take a little trip up to the Sequoias and have some coffee. Let me preface this situation. So my friends and I, we saw this group of trees. We heard about this group of trees. We saw them on photos, on Instagram, throughout social media. We took a trip up to the Sequoia National Forest to track them down. We left Clovis, California at, well, actually woke up at 3 a.m., left Clovis, California at 4 a.m. Took about an hour and a half to 2 hours to get up to the spot to where we thought they were the first time. We were unsuccessful, but perseverance has paid off. We actually successfully tracked them down. So now Mark and I were going to make some coffee, and then we'll kind of give you a little photo vlog, a portrait vlog, if you will, of the actual place we are right now. So we have the Snow Henry's House Coffee. Let's try this out.
Try it out, man.
Okay, this is what it all comes down to right here. This can make or break this trip. It's phenomenal.
Is it?
This is, you know what? This is even better than Balinese coffee. I almost forgot, my buddy that I'm with, Mark, he has an Instagram, markian.b. Boop, right there. Check it out. He's absolutely amazing when it comes to wildlife photography, landscape photography, when it comes to wedding photography, engagement photography. We'll get back to the whole tree thing. Follow me into the forest, if you will. Look at this. They're everywhere. These things are gigantic. There we have it. Let's see here. Let me see if I can take you over here. Look at, it's never ending. Really cool. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Yeah. That was absolutely amazing. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed it. The big trees, the huge sequoias, the coffee, the fresh air, just being out in the wilderness and just kind of escaping from it all for a little bit. Now, let me be completely transparent with you. It wasn't 100% of what we were looking for. What we're wanting to do is we're wanting to kind of be up there when there's snow on the ground, and not only snow on the ground, but to where it's actually snowing and it's the big fat snowflakes. Now, I know it's definitely asking for a lot, but that's what we're hoping to one day come across. Nonetheless, again, it was absolutely amazing up there, and I hope at the same time, I hope that you were able to escape everything that's going on right now and just have a peace of mind for once. And yeah, until next time, and hoping and praying and wishing that everything subsides and things are back to normal, we'll just wait until the next venture. Peace! I'm out.